morning, Philippines! These are the latest and hot issues in 2017, only here on CNN News Philippines. I am Tamira Marie Echevillon.
And I am Gabriela Sanchez.
And we are the anchors for this week. Latest and hot issues. Trending.
Communist Party rejects termination of peace talks. Here's Rochelle Barbecho for her local news.
Thank you, Gabriel. The CPP rejects the termination of peace negotiations with the government and expressed optimism both parties would meet again this month. In a statement issued on Monday, the CPP said revolutionary movement was still facing in the continuation of peace process to address the root causes of the 48-years-old conflict. The Communist Party of the Philippines joins the Filipino people in rejecting the declaration the other night of GRP President Rodrigo Duterte that he will terminate peace negotiations between the GRP and NDFD, the CPP said. Reporting Rochelle Barbecho for local news.
For field report, 10.6 million pesos classroom building soon to rise. Here is Jassel Kim as Bernabe for his field report. Jassel, what is the fast issues there?
Galing na.
Thank you, Tamira. This was how Upper Tumbler Elementary School 2 regarded the construction of the two-story building with 8 classrooms worth 10.6 million pesos, which started on October 28 and target to finish on April 2017. Currently, the school has 8 classroom storage, and according to Leonesa Escavit, school principal, the additional classroom will be given to KD classes, which are occupying an old makeshift building, and it will also solve the problem of big class size of several sections. Back to you, Tamira.
Miss Frances Newmy left the crown to Iris Moutineri of France as Miss Universe 2016 on Coronation Day, Monday at the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City. Iris Moutineri, a 24-year-old dentistry student from France, edged out 86 other delegates to win as Miss Universe 2016 at SM Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City yesterday morning. I was very surprised I won. I feel blessed, said the 24-year-old whose competition profile had described her goal as advocating for dental.
Starbucks finest quality coffee beans to extract coffee beans. It is to make every customer satisfied. Let's go to Starbucks now. I want to grab a cup of Starbucks coffee. Okay, let's go. Starbucks coffee, your first choice.
Order. Gulayan sa Paralan Series, It Purpose Reporting, Veselan, Pizon.
Gabriel, Upper Tumbler Elementary School 2 implemented one of the programs of the Department of Education, which is the Gulayan sa Paralan. School's garden is a haven of various vegetables which are used as ingredients in preparing the foods served during the feeding time, said Roberto Pagsugiro, PP teacher and Gulayan sa Paralan coordinator. He further added that the products from
2 days for Liza to finish movie's crucial scene. Aurelia Teresa B. Quieres for her report.
Direct Coffee Garcia Molina said, "We would just continue working on it another day." Liza recalled, "On that day, I was so nervous. I didn't talk to anyone on the set. After we were finished with it, Direct hugged me and said, 'I did well.' I felt so relieved." Back to you, Camira.
Here is Kian Pikit B. Quienes for her.
Tamira, at a young age, this Filipina already knew what she wanted in life to become a weightlifter, but because of poverty, she was never given a chance to have a formal training. But her situation never became a hindrance in achieving her dreams. At a young age of 11, she had to walk 50 meters home lifting two big buckets of water for her family to consume, and this became her training ground, giving her remarkable strength. This is Heidi Lynn Diaz, a woman of strength and determination, and the proof that a woman can also